In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a realistic explosion effect in 700 scale. Enjoy! Hi there! This is the Flyhawk HMS Lens Deluxe Edition in 700 scale. This kit is just amazing, but you might be surprised because this is the ship that comes out of this box. Its plastic quality and parts details are just awesome. Deluxe Edition comes with very well designed PE parts and metal gun barrels. My original plan was building the HMS Kelly, but this is a tutorial video and I wanted to complete it with the materials I had on hand. HMS Lens bombed and sunk in the harbor Malta. Not like this. The next ship build I will use this effect will be more realistic. Anyway, let's continue. I want to give a certain angle to the model for realistic look. First I'm cutting the lower hull part for that. Then I covered the bottom of the model with epoxy putty and leveled it. This is the result. This time I will use a plexiglass plate for making the sea effect instead of aluminum foil. Since the plate is transparent, I'm gonna paint it from its backside. First I'm making a masking tape for painting the hull color. After painting hull color, now I'm painting the sea color layer. Before applying the sea effect, I made a mock-up with balsa wood. This is a gloss medium gel. You can find it at an art store which sells paint supplies for artists. I'm applying it first. Then I'm shaping it with this silicone tool. That's it. After it has dried completely, it's about a few days, I'm painting it with clear blue for making the effect looks deeper. I made a basic case with balsa wood and painted it with acrylic paints. Let's build the ship. I will not show you the whole process, but I will show some important steps to give you an idea of the build and kit. Compared to other kits, the superstructure of this kit needs less PE details and improvements. This is just one of a few details. But one thing should be noted. The plastic detail parts are so small that at some points I had more difficulty than the PE parts. Okay, all parts are ready for paint. I've painted the deck details with a brush, like this. Let's complete the assembly. My plans changed as a result of the tests. Now it's necessary to cut the model that I painted. It's not a big deal, let's do it. To making the damage effect, I'm using a thick aluminum foil piece. Now I can add the remaining details to the model. I'm applying the weathering wash to the model roughly. Then I'm painting over the effect with highly diluted paint. Rigging with elastic material. Rust effect with pigments. And here's the result. Now it's time for making the explosion effect. I'm gonna use these LED lights for that. I tried several methods and designs. In the end, I settled on this design. This is iClay, a material between Play-Doh and model clay for children. I learned this material from Kiwiman. You can find his works on iModeler.com. Also, there are a few short interview videos with him on YouTube. I'm covering the LED lights with iClay. Let me show you how this material is translucent. Again, a tip I learned from Kiwiman's interviews. I'm covering the clay with cotton while it's still soft. This tip is from me. I'm applying some hairspray over on it. But be careful, do not apply too much. I painted the cotton surface with some paint mixtures of yellow, red, orange and black. In order to apply the effect correctly, it is important that the lights is on. I'm drilling a hole for the cables. And I'm fixing the model to the base with medium gel. Now I can add wave and foam effects with medium gel and cotton. You can find more detailed instructions in my tutorial video about making sea effect. Check the sidebar or the information section below for the video link. Blast wave effect on the sea. Let's make the bow wave effect with cotton and medium gel. After fixing the effect to the model, now I am adding shrapnel and the pieces that fly off. Well, thanks for watching this episode. If you liked the video, please like and share. Subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Also, you can support my channel if you can see the join button below or on Patreon. The links are in the information section below. See you soon on the next episode. Until then, take care of yourself and keep modeling. Bye!